Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain the text command, one of the fundamental ways to annotate our designs in LusoCAD. There are two types of text command, multilinear text and single-line text. These can be accessed by the Annotation Ribbon or by their respective shortcuts, T and text. Once we activate the command, we will have to select the first corner. This will allow us to create the area where the text will be written. Once we click on the model view, we can see that many subcommands will be made available. We can set the height of the text box by typing H, the position of the text by typing J and choosing a justification. We can choose between top, left center and right, middle, left center and right, and bottom, left center or right. By typing L, we can change the space between the lines. We can set this space by typing a minimum distance or an exact constant distance. We type A to select the minimum distance. Type R to set a rotation angle. By typing S, we can change the text style. These will come up again in the course. We can change the width by typing W, and the C subcommand will let us add text columns. Once we set all the subcommands according to our needs, we can start writing the text. The text box works just like any other, with the standard text options like bold, underline, and strike through. We will write the same text twice, using each of the commands. First with multi-line, and then with single-line text. The difference between multi-line text and single-line text is that when we write a double-line sentence like this one, the multi-line text will be able to be modified as a whole. Meanwhile, we can only edit one line at a time if we use the single-line text. That was all for the text command. Keep watching the course to learn more about the annotation capabilities in LusoCAD.